Here's another Lenormand Seer Oracle how-to. When asking yes-no questions, you'll sometimes have neutral symbols end up in the center of the board. This is a neutral area, so neutral symbols may be difficult to decipher. The symbols shown here are neither super positive or super negative, therefore finding them in the center position will require you to dig a little deeper. In this example, path tells us that you're at a crossroad, you need to make a decision, a choice, you have options and alternatives. In this case, you need to think of what you're asking and how you're asking it. The path tells us that a choice needs to be made by someone before a yes-no can be given. I would follow up with another question or casting and maybe include other oracles. That will also be the case if the man or woman symbol shows up in the center or neutral position, because it tells us that another person will need to make a decision before a definitive yes or no answer can be offered. Another oracle or casting is encouraged. As much as we want this to be easy, sometimes the universe wants us to work for it.